we have some empanadas. They're a traditionally Colombian empanada. They're made with corn flour instead of regular like all-purpose flour. And then we have a tres leches cake, which is just a regular cake, but it's soaked with 3 different types of milk where it gets its name.
We prepared Hawaiian style barbecue. Over here we have smoked chicken drumsticks with a red guava, with a guava and a red papaya sauce that we made.
This is amazing.
Hello, my name is Lucius. This is a Persian dish called Fesenjoon. It is a walnut and chicken stew that is flavored with pomegranate molasses. And
we did Three Sisters soup. It is for indigenous people. So in here we have corn, celery, pork, a little bit of everything.
So we have chicken wings, we have garlic parm, lemon pepper, Thai chili and barbecue, and we also have oxtail slider.
Today we have for you pumpkin cinnamon fritters, pumpkin fritters without cinnamon, and then also saltfish fritters.